tried to manage in the residency was to make this connection between something really plastic, like a work around a certain material, and together with an aspect which is way more technical. So we had to make this connection all the time between some questions which are more about the aesthetic, about the emotion transferred, and at the same time like struggling with really technical aspect.
And that is an important goal for us, which is trying to understand how the group of the robot with the artist will create a new dimension, new possibilities for the interaction. I really think that it's important for anyway research and engineering to have also this other dimension considered, which is the dimension and the capabilities that the artist will bring into the project.
At one point we also were able to integrate the performer Michaela Filzi, which was a really interesting add-on to the project because she brought another perspective to the project with her own disciplines and her own expertise, which was way less technical than from UPM or Nebria or IIT, and it was more focusing on the experience of two bodies dancing in a room. How do they move and interact?